All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about how to flatten all layer effects. So let's go to our scripts.pst file here. I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to go to effects, or we can just go down here where it says FX, and I'm going to click on bevel and emboss. Okay, now it's not going to show anything because we don't have an actual physical image that we're working with here. So let's hit cancel, and I'm going to click on File, Open, and we're going to go to our trusty kittens here. And let's grab kitten report 1. Okay, bring that little guy in. Hit Control A, Control C to cut and copy. Well, to select and copy, I should say. I'm going to hit E to grab the magic eraser tool, okay, and try to clean this up just a little bit. There we go. All right. So now hit Control D. All right. So we clean that up. Now what I want to do is select this little kitty, and I'm going to add some effects to him. So you can see here we have a pattern, which I don't want to do that. Let's do like an inner glow. And let's do a yellow. And then there we go. Let's do inner shadow, and I'll do yellow again. Well, let's just do green. That's fine. We'll do a little stroke on him, and we'll make that orange. And we'll give it a little more size. There you go. And a little drop shadow and outer glow. Okay, so you see how we have all these different effects, right? So if I go to File and we go Scripts, and I click on Delete, Flatten All Layer Effects, it's going to essentially merge all that together. So now we can't edit these effects. They've been flattened. Okay, so the only way that you really want to execute that is if you are done editing and you want to save this as an image. What I recommend doing is saving this as scripts 1. So let's do Control Shift S. Okay, we'll call this scripts 1. Just scripts 1. Save it. Okay, then close out kitten, close out the scripts 1, go to File and Open, and then do scripts, and then run File, Scripts, and then flatten all layer effects, and then hit Control S. Because what that's going to do is now you have a PSD version of this, and you also have a flat image. So if I open up scripts 1, now we can still go in here and we can edit this. You always want to give yourself the source, because if you don't, then it's going to be really hard to edit this. You're going to have to bring the whole thing back in. And yes, granted, this is only 5 effects. But imagine if you had 50 layers and 5 effects in each one. That's going to take you a lot more time to recreate than this would. And you don't want to do that. Trust me. It will slow down your workflow exponentially. So that's how you flatten all layer effects. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.